Today, we're adding a stylish circle transition to your videos, a smooth circular vibe that makes your edits stand out. Let's get into it. First, open your Canva project and make sure you have at least two video clips placed on the timeline. Now, hover between the two clips and click on the transition icon. From the available transitions, choose Circular Vibe. This creates a circular vibe effect, revealing or hiding the next clip with a clean round motion. You'll see options to apply the transition on, in or out. This lets you choose whether the circular vibe happens at the start of the second clip, the end of the first for a smoother blend, then use the duration slider to set the speed of the transition. A longer duration creates a more dramatic vibe, while a shorter one keeps it snappy. And that's it. You've added a beautiful circle transition to your Canva video. It's perfect for clean, professional style edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.